Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Matt with Rural Iowa, and today I have something that I found. When I was out for cleanup days, I found this Steel Farm Boss 041. It's pretty old, but I tried it and it started. I mean, it's a decent old chainsaw. I mean, it's an older, heavy chainsaw, but she runs, so let's go cut some wood with it. We just got some trees that have some branches that are overgrown. I'm just gonna see how this thing does. I haven't sharpened the blade, I haven't done anything to it except for put burn chain oil and a little fuel in it, so we'll see what happens. Well, I may have ram jammed it a little too hard. If you can see, I had a hose bust off. It's awful hot to the touch right now though, so I'm gonna kind of wait till that cools down. Here's the end. It decided it didn't want to stay attached. This is the trailer that I redid, and what we're gonna do is I had some indicator lights that busted off, and we're gonna replace those. They were secured by 2 bolts, or screws, to local Tyson's, and got these LED lights, which they're only a 1 bolt deal, so I'm gonna have to drill a hole, looks like, which won't be a big deal, hopefully. What better time to figure it out than now, I guess, since I gotta wait for that hose to cool down, because right now it's pretty hot. Wired up, they're working. Time to pull the hydraulic hose off, and hopefully that's cooled off enough now. But let's get that pulled off. Time to go to Napa, see how much this is going to cost me. Guess how much in the comments below you think that the hose is going to cost. I'm gonna bet $100. $100. Good morning. So we're back. I was moving some trees and decided that I wanted some more work to do, so I blew the hose. You just have those loosely put on there. Got some cable ties to try and make this a lot better for moving, because I have a lot of friction points on these hoses where it's rubbing against the cylinder of the skid loader, and I really don't want to have to replace lines unless I intentionally do something that breaks it. So we're going to mess with this stuff and try and get it fixed up, then get back to work pulling some trees. anyone else wanting to do this, I would do it early spring, late fall when the leaves are all off, because as you can see, all the trees have leaves on them now, so it makes it a little more annoying. But we got all this stuff cleared out, and what we're going to do is we're going to start pulling some more trees. We'll see how far we get. I'm going to throw you on another time lapse. Well, I'm a genius, so this piece right here ended up breaking off on a tree, so I had to go to our farm store, got this all re-wrapped. Then it started pouring down rain. If you didn't just see the flash of lightning. Yikes. Probably not pulling trees for a little bit. Had this started leaking. I don't know what's going on there, but I tightened that up so it's not leaking anymore. It was loose. So I fixed that. Got all this stuff. Seems to be doing well. I have a whole bunch of grass and leaves inside there now. What I'm gonna do is, while I'm waiting for that lightning to subside, I'm gonna try and find a bolt to fit in here, because all it does is free spin because there's no bolt there holding it in. Waiting for the lightning to stop so I can go keep pulling trees. I got about 30 of them left in the one field, and that's not including, that's just in the field, that's not including the ones in the field adjacent to it or the other trees on the north side of the pond that I need to get to. But we'll go ahead and try and get that bolt done. Oh, by the way, I left my GoPro outside, so it got rained on. So if the audio sounds a little different, that's why, because I had to take the cage off, and my, they call it the dead cat, is now a wet dead cat, so it's drying off right now. But so yeah, the audio might be a little different for you, but we'll get that fixed here. Bolt might be a little tall, but hopefully we can make it work. There we go. That was stupid. Now let's try for the back. Yay. Well, it's been that way for ever since I've had it, so it's kind of nice to get that seat back. Well, we fixed one problem today. Well, technically we fixed one that was an existing problem. Then we fixed two problems that I caused myself. But we fixed them. Keep trying to pull some trees. As I said, about 30 of them left. Well, it's raining, but I have trees to pull, so that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna haul the tree puller back out with the grapple, so I have the grapple and the tree puller out there, and guess we're gonna do this in the rain.